Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day or great week so far. So as you can see here, this is something that's different. I have in front of me two K-pop albums. So this is a K-pop unboxing album. I have Monsta X over here and Tomorrow by Together over here. And I'm really excited to show you guys. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I am brand new to the K-pop scene. So I thought it would be really fun to kind of document my journey into K-pop fandom, and also just, for my own personal experience and just my own personal documentation, I thought would be really fun as well. And also, if you're new like me to the K-pop world, I hope that I can also provide some information or act as kind of like a resource, since I know that there's just so much so much content and so much things that you can learn. I hope that I can also help somebody else out there as well. So the reason why I am doing an unboxing is because I personally love looking at K-pop album unboxings. I think it's just so much fun, and if you didn't know, a lot of the K-pop albums have multiple versions. So over here, I'm trying to be a little bit budget friendly, so I only bought one of each version, but inside these albums, they have photo cards, and these photo cards are things that are really, really sought after in the K-pop community. Some people will buy, tens or 20s of albums just so that they can collect every member's photo card. And because they're kind of like a mystery box, you guys remember those mystery boxes that you can buy at cute Japanese stores or things like that? You never know what you're gonna get, so definitely they want you to buy as many as you can just to collect them all. The K-pop community is great though, that you can do a lot of photo card trading and stuff like that, and I think it's really exciting to just open an album and see who you get, which member you get, and if you get your bias or anything like that. Well, I ordered these two albums, Monsta X and Tomorrow by Together, because they both had recent comebacks around the same time, which is really, really cool and really fun. So I really wanted to document my first comeback of K-pop groups, so that's kind of why I went for these two albums. I did buy a BTS album earlier this year, but I wasn't as into multiple groups at that time, and so I didn't do an unboxing of that one. But that was kind of my first K-pop album, and now I'm just in way deep into the K-pop scene. So definitely I hope that I will be purchasing more K-pop albums in the future. And actually I did pre-order the Blackpink pre-release album just a few days ago, so stay tuned for that, coming in mid-July or end of July, depending on shipping. So yeah, let's get right into it. So these two albums I did order from Gmarket, and Gmarket is kind of like the Korea version of Amazon. So how it works is that there's multiple stores on that website, similar to Amazon, and you order from the store, and then they all ship to, I guess, one warehouse location in Korea, and then that warehouse will bundle all of your orders up into one big box and then mail it out to you. And I'm in the States, so shipping was actually really fast, considering that COVID is happening right now and there's a lot of shipping delays. I was really impressed that everything was processed and shipped really quickly, and I had tracking as well. These two albums, they do have it on Amazon and Target even, but I think I went for Gmarket because the price was a little better. And also another big reason was because with Monsta X album, you didn't get a choice on Target or Amazon. I think it was just either all 4 versions or one at random. And I didn't want a random one because I didn't want all 4 because, like I said, I am trying to be a little bit more budget friendly. So yeah, I didn't want all 4, and I didn't want a random one. And I watched other people's unboxings so that I could choose which concept I liked the most. And you'll see which one I got soon. So, and then with TXT's album, there's 2 versions, but I loved both concepts. Maybe I love the other one a little more, but I did love this one a lot, so I didn't really have a picky preference. So here it is. Here are the the track list, and I believe this version is the starboard. Oh, sorry, this is the port version. It's either starboard or port. So this is so cute. It comes with a little lock. So you open it, and then let's take a look. So this is what, I'm not gonna do too extensive of a flip through because there's just so many videos out there that you guys can kind of look at those as well. But I'm gonna do, you know, the most fun part and see what I got. So here comes with this artwork, and these are stickers, which is really cute and perfect for planners or journals if you have. And ooh, I got Subin for my transparent one, and I love these photo cards. So cool. Although it won't fit in, I don't think it'll fit in normal holders, so, but it'll be really cute in like planners and stuff and journals, which is what I use the photo cards for. And then, oh, I also got Subin. Oh wow, I got double Subin. That's so cute. That's really fun. So that is there, and it's such a nice card, and it's like matte and smooth, so definitely really cool. I'll do like a little, and there's the CD in the back. Do a little flip just if you are curious as well. And if you didn't know anything about Tomorrow by Together, they are also under the agency Big Hit, which is the same agency as BTS. So that was kind of what drew me to them at first, was because, you know, wow, you know, if Big Hit produced such a huge talented group like BTS, this one has got to be good. And also I think it was pretty epic that this group TXT debuted like I think 7 or 8 years after BTS, so I think that was kind of interesting too. So cool. So there is that. The next album, Monsta X, of course. I got into Monsta X because of my friend Carolyn was obsessed, and she was actually the first person I ever heard about Monsta X from, as well as watching We Bare Bears, since they also guest starred on that show, that Cartoon Network show, which I'm sad to say I heard that it's officially ending. So sad. Anyway, so yeah, so that was kind of my first listen or delve into K-pop, like in present day. Of course, I like listen to K-pop here and there, like the first or like second gen K-pop, I would say, with Big Bang. And is Big Bang second gen? I don't know, or are they third? But yeah, Big Bang or Wonder Girls or Miss A or Ailee, I was really into back then. So I took off the wrapper. So Monsta X, their album is it's Fantasia is how you pronounce it, but the song is Fantasia. So I'm like, is it Fantasia or is it Fantasia? So I got, oh no, the CD fell out. So I got version 2 because I love this concept the most after watching unboxings. And I don't know, I don't care if you say that's cheating or whatever. I wanted to get the one that I knew I would like. So yeah. So it's a nice matte cover. Okay, here's the CD that fell out. It's also like, okay, CDs, I don't have a CD player, like, so the CDs are really just for fun. Oh, let's see. Okay, let me show you guys the concept. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I just love black and gold. So cute. I mean, so pretty. Also, like, yeah, I'm a new K-pop fan, so Monsta X, I do know them more after, like, post Wonho. So yeah. Wow. Shonu in this turtleneck is honestly what sold me to this version. But yeah. Okay, I told myself not to do a flip, but I'll look it through that later. But let's see what photo cards I got. And there's 2 as well here. Oh, I don't want to reveal that yet. Ooh, okay, Carolyn's gonna be so happy. So first, here are these stickers with this concept. Carolyn's gonna be so happy because she loves Juhan. So I got Juhan. I'll probably end up giving this to him, giving to her. Ooh, I also got, literally got double Juhan. Carolyn's gonna be so, oh my god, I got triple because I got this one too. Oh my god. Ooh, I got this subunit. Oh, look at I am. Nice. I love the back. So cool. Okay, Carolyn's gonna flip. I'm gonna send her this picture. So yeah, and then here is the rest of the album. It's just like a lot of beiges, and I'm just really into the beiges and stuff. Cool. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you next time at my next unboxing. Bye!